Sa gitna ng taglamig sa New York, mainit pa rin ang paninindigan ng mga Pilipinong nurse. Higit 3 linggo na ang kanilang kilos protesta para sa mas ligtas na staffing at makatarungang sahod. Narito ang agenda report ni US correspondent Don Tagala.
Mahigit 3 linggo na ang nakalipas pero patuloy pa rin ang pinakamalaking nurses strike sa kasaysayan ng New York City. At sa kabila ng malakas na pagbagsak ng snow at temperatura sa kasagsagan ng winter sa Amerika, hindi pa rin sumuko ang Pinoy nurses na ipaglaban ang kanilang karapatan para sa tamang sahod, health benefits, safer staff-patient ratio at protection against workplace violence.
We want competitive wages, but that's not the main reason why we're striking. The main reason is for safe staffing for patients, so every single patient can have a nurse and that every nurse can have a break. And then also for our healthcare, that's the main thing. They're trying to cut out our healthcare, but we're here taking care of our patients inside the hospital, but we don't even have healthcare ourselves.
At sa pagpapatuloy ng negosasyon, nagbigay ng pahayag ang New York Nurses Association na hindi pa rin sila sumasang-ayon sa counter-proposals ng mga ospital. Ayon sa pahayag ng NYSNA, the recent counter-proposals from New York Presbyterian, Montefiore, and Mount Sinai failed to meet nurses' contract demands, particularly on safe staffing levels, which remains unaddressed.
One day longer, one day stronger is like my favorite motto here. So we're going to keep fighting for that fair wage, patient safety, and the whole package for us to continue doing what we love to do. This is what we love to do. I went to nursing for that.
If these CEOs cannot come to the table, they should resign today.
Sa pagbabalik sa picket line ni Steven Raga, ang first Filipino-American elected assembly member ng New York, aniya, kung ang mga CEO ng ospital ay tumatanggap ng milyong-milyong sweldo, hindi imposible na kaya nilang taasan ang sahod ng mga nurse.
They can pay a living wage. They can pay what the nurses deserve. So they do have the money. They're just keeping it in their pocket. And you can see that.
Ayon naman sa mga ospital, patuloy silang makikipagnegosasyon sa Unyon ng Nurses. Committed din daw sila na ipagpatuloy ang pakikipag-bargain sa Unyon. Para sa agenda, Don Tagala, Billionaire News Channel, New York.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel, sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.